Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I set the timer for 45 minutes, cleaned my bedroom, and I folded and put some laundry away. If you need that motivation, stay tuned. I don't know about you guys, but life gets really hectic around here, and I do not have a ton of time to clean. So when I have an extra 30 minutes to an hour, I just set my timer and do as much as I can. And on this particular day, I set my timer for 45 minutes to clean my master bedroom, and I think I had about 4 loads of laundry to fold and sort and put away. So I just thought maybe this might bring you some motivation. And as I watch this and do this voiceover, I am so sad because I loved this comforter, but it was such a pain to make up the bed that I actually just replaced it with a simple gray duvet cover, and it's not as aesthetically pleasing, and I really miss this comforter, but it's so much easier to make up my bed now.
I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now, just a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, right away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar?
So you guys can see how much laundry I have to fold and sort. Some of it's already folded a little bit. I just needed to do a little refolding. You know how sometimes you get your clothes out of the dryer and you just kind of give it a quick fold. So I'm just going to speed this up and put on some music, and you can maybe get some folding motivation if you have some laundry that you need to fold as well.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade in. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go. But I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go. But I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
As I put my laundry away, you guys will probably notice that most of my drawers are a little bit too full. And I think that if you've watched my videos earlier, I told you guys that I was going through some things this summer. One of those things that I was going through is I had a weird reaction to a medication, like one of those like 1 in 1,000 people get this, and it's the medication that I was taking was making me swell, and so I have like 3 or 4 different sizes of everything. So that's kind of why my drawers are stuffed like this. I'm actually doing a lot better now and feeling better, and I'm glad that we found out what was going on. So that's just kind of why my drawers are stuffed like that, because you guys know that I'm like super organized and do not have a ton of stuff. But when you have like 3 or 4 sizes, it's like really hard to fit it all in.
Coming to the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. I keep asking why. You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really feel a whole lot better. I keep asking why. I have really tried. All those sleepless nights I counted hours. Thought I'm over, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking why. Tell me, do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. These memories haunting me. I keep asking why. You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really feel a whole lot better. I keep asking why. I have really tried. All those sleepless nights.
few minutes left, so I just wanted to clean the glass surfaces in my bedroom. And normally I use microfiber cloths, but they were all in the washing machine, so I just used some paper towels. These are 7th generation, I believe, the recycled paper towels, and I'm also using the 7th generation glass cleaner. I love the glass cleaner, and it does not leave any streaks. And then I am going to be done. So I will put on some more music and speed this up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your sweet comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that bell, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one.
Now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey, now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember, as always, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. You want to say bye? You want to say bye?